Hi, this is Raciel Perales, aka Razi, and today I'm gonna share an incredible experience I had in Miami. Wonderful coffee, amazing pastries, great staff. A must try if you go to Miami. PaoloFontanot Bakery and Cafe. We were lucky to find this place, and even more lucky that it was just 2 minutes away from our hotel. Honestly, a great experience, a really inviting place, and once you see those pastries from behind the glass, it's just like, oh, I want them all. And that's pretty much what we kind of did. We kind of got a little bit of everything. I like these pastries so much, honestly. I just had to draw them. And this first one, this was our top one, our most favorite. That's Minnie laughing in the background. So this one has a pistachio like cream filling. The pastry was a bit firm, but absolutely delicious. It was glazed on top. Oh, it had some pistachios on top as well. Honestly, you can't go wrong with this one. A must try, our most and our top favorite from all the pastries that we tried there. Let's talk about butter, cookies, and cream. If those three things sound good to you, honestly, I have the pastry for you. Alright, so this one has a 3-layer cookie. Oh, it's so amazing. Filled with an amazing, simply sweet cream filling. Topped with more of that sweet cream filling. Alright guys, this is the tiramisu. Honestly, you can't go wrong with the tiramisu. And this one, honestly, so creamy, so sweet, so delicious. It was so light. And the design, absolutely amazing. I just loved it. Aesthetically, it just looked really, really cool. And absolutely, the flavor was spot on as well. Can't go wrong on this one. It had the layers of greatness. Okay, so now for this one, I didn't even want to like cut into it or even eat it. It just, honestly, it just looked like a little piece of art. It just looked so amazing. It didn't, I don't know how to explain it. It just looked really cool. And here I am, most definitely trying to recreate the design. It was a bit of a challenge at first, but I kind of got the hang of it. And it was pretty much a mousse with another mousse inside. I think it was a pistachio filled chocolate mousse. It was quite interesting. It was really, really sweet, but honestly, like, you get a little spoonful, then your coffee, another spoonful, then your coffee, and it balances out. It is extremely sweet, but honestly, really creative, really delicious. Oh, a must try just for the experience. Definitely recommend it. Alright, speaking of mousses, so this next one is just, if you're a chocolate lover, oh, this is the one. So layer after layer of chocolate mousse, so sweet, very sweet, but again, if you balance that out with the coffee, oh, it's absolutely amazing. You must try this as well. Well, alright guys, this is pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching. Sub, like, and share. Until next time.